how to place trades on TradingView. So TradingView isn't just a charting platform. You can actually place live trades directly from your chart if your broker is supported. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to place trades on TradingView, how order button works, and what to do if your broker isn't available. So in order to place trades, your broker must be officially supported in TradingView. You can check that, but usually the most supported and popular brokers are FXCM, Wanda, TradeStation, Capital.com, and Pepperstone. If your broker isn't supported, TradingView can still be used for chart analysis only. Okay, and in order to start, guys, you will need to have, of course, your account. You can sign up completely for free without verification in order to start. So just go ahead and create yourself an account, and then you go to products, and then let's open up our super charts. This is where the magic happens. So you will see this interface. It's very detailed. You have all the necessary instruments on the left panel right over here, and you can start working. So in order to start trading, and just like I said, to connect your broker, you need to go to this section, which is the trading panel. And in here, you can connect your broker, whichever it is. For example, Interactive Brokers, like this. You click on it, press on connect. Once again, just provide your username and password in here, and then you can start trading. In my case, I will just use paper trade just to show you how the trades are being done. So choose paper trading. You can do this as well, by the way, to practice the trading and not lose any funds. So this is not real money that we're working with. All right, and now we have the order panel on the right over here. And in here, you can choose market buy sell, limit orders, shop orders, position size, and leverage. And now on this interface on the top left, you choose which asset you wish to purchase. For example, as you can see, in my case, I've chosen Tesla, but you can choose something else. For example, Nvidia, there you go. Or Apple, let's go for Apple. And there you go. Now you can use the charting tool to pretty much choose which price you wish to be working with, and then just press on trades. As you can see, if I click, I can choose whichever price I want. And also I can just drag to make this chart bigger or smaller. If you want to go more detailed, you can just drag it like this and see a more detailed information. Also, you can scroll it like this to see the pricing history. And then in order to place an order, you, for example, choose this and choose buy, right? And then you choose how many shares, and you will see, of course, the corresponding price of it. Then we have take profit and stop loss. You can set them as you wish. We'll have price and ticks for both. And then you can also add a level in here if you so wish. And then, as you can see, you will have the summary of your order. You will have the leverage, tick value, trade value, reward, and risk. And then you just buy, for example, one apple. And now your order is sent. As you can see, but my order is rejected. Why? Oh, it's off trading session. So I've done something incorrectly. As you can see, for pre and post market trading, use limit orders with the outside RTH instruction. So pretty much just do the same thing and fill in with RTH and buy. And that's pretty much it, guys. And that's how you place orders directly on TradingView. If your broker isn't supported, you can still use the tools for analysis. And if this video was helpful, make sure to like the video and of course subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next video.